Hello guys, how's everyone? I hope everyone doing well in good health inshallah always. Guys, I would like to show you some tricks of the drum test. Inshallah, I'm going to help you. So this trick can work, for all driving school cars actually, because the method is very easy. It only requires you to focus. Number one, you have to focus, okay? So you can look out from the right side of the entire rear window, not only just from the triangle, because the problem is that looking from the triangle, uh, of the car on drum number two does not give you the correct view. But looking out, from the window, everything is clear to you. Okay, guys, so the back window, the cars from the right side, it will give you all the drum is visible to you. That is good, you know. So you will look at the drum number two with drum number four. And when the drum number four is visible to you, you will see sometime quarter, sometimes half. For the big car, actually, it's half or maybe full. But for small car, like a quarter, it's okay. Like my car model. Sometimes your car it become center between eight drums. Sometimes you come too narrow, okay, which is give you another chance. So if too narrow from the first drum, you will stop. You keep the back handle door facing with the drum. Then of course you will fix your car. You will turn for the right and fix your car from the left to right. Everything is clear, straight from left to right. You can move after you make sure it already your car have same distance from left to right. Then you can move. Okay, can do it step by step. So like I tell you, drum number two with drum number four is for the big car. I can see you can keep like drum number four, full or maybe half. You can train with this trick. It will work step by step. Sometimes you can see your car coming between a drum center. My car is only quarter. Of course, it becomes center. If that student is focusing for that drum exactly, because you need to stop. When you stop, you have to look. After that, you need to turn fully steering after you move, because some students they are moving and turning. That is this not good for them. Of course, the size will be changed. Okay, so now I'm going to show you from the left side also. I'll give you the trick from the left side. Anyway, you are going back for some cars, big one, you can keep this drum. It's like half, like 50%. But for my car, small car, it's like 99 exactly. So it's your car, of course, become center sometime. If you are keep you are watching that drum exactly 99. If not, of course, you will become too narrow from the first drum. It's okay also. At least they will give you more chance. So what you will do next? You will keep steering straight. You go back. You have to keep enough distance, not big one, not tight like that. Half distance. And then when you see the back handle door is facing with the first arm like 1 feet, you stop, turn fully left. Make sure your car steering is fully left. Then your car come like between eight drums exactly center. Check from left, check from right. Give yourself chance to look. After that, you can fix your steering straight. When you are sure your car is like between, then you can move slowly. Don't go fast. Time to time, you have to look also while you're going back. Check from the left, check from the right. You want to see your car, how it's going, Maybe it's become tight, so you need to stop and you can fix. If the car going straight, you can go straight also until the 8 drums. You can go step by step. Don't go fast because fast this trick cannot work. Maybe you're going to hit the drum. If you hit the drum, you know what will happen. Of course, you're going back home. So step by step, you can make it. Yes. If example, you car become from left too tight, only the mirror. Okay, if the mirror, you see the mirror doesn't go, you have to stop before the drum. Okay, come too close from the drum, but don't touch. Keep distance between the drum and the mirror and stop like that and turn fully left, not right, fully left. And you have to go back, one step back. You need to keep away the mirror from the drum, then stop, steering straight, and you can move. So that's why you have to look from the beginning when you are on the door. Check about your car. It's like straight from the left, from the right, same distance. After that, you can move. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you again from the left side. All right. So we're going to turn to the left. When the mirror already in front of the first line, you will turn left. When your car between 8 and 6, steering straight. Be sure steering wheel is straight. After that, you will look to drum number 2 from the blind spot. Okay, for big car, you can use the trick like 50%. For small car, old models, it's like uh, quarter. But make sure it's quarter because if you not look properly good from there to the round number two, 99, maybe you come too narrow from the first round. But it's okay. Most important when you are going back, okay, you have to look from the left mirror because you want to watch the drum number 1 first with the car bumper, and you need to keep the enough distance, like half, not tight, not big distance. So after that, you choose the enough distance, half. You're steering straight. You will move back, reverse. You have to be careful here in this area because you need to look the back handle door. You will keep the first drum like opposite, 1 feet. Then stop, turn fully left. Okay, you have to stop and turn fully left. Okay, when the both side is straight from the left and right, you are sure 100% is straight. Give yourself, uh, give yourself some few seconds to check. After that, sure, you can go ahead slowly. You have to drive slowly, okay, until it drums out. In this case, you pass your drum test. Then the examiner come to you. He will give you your documents until you go to the slope. If you not pass, if you're hitting the drum, he will tell you, sorry, you have to go back home. Come again. Okay. So like I tell you, if the mirror from the last drum is too tight, you will stop, turn fully left, one step back, you can move. If something is happening, because you have to make sure on the door. All right. You go right. On the mirror in front of the line, you will turn, okay? Not it. Steering straight, steering straight. Turn. Go straight. Steering straight, steering straight. Steering straight. This is not straight. Angel. turning right from the beginning, no? So when you are here, turn to the left two times. You're turning two time to the right, right? Turn to the left when you stop. Turn to the left two times. That's it. So you cannot forget, okay? Go ahead. Turn. Because I want you to come to take. Go ahead. I will tell you how it's two times, okay? Go. 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 When I tell you stop, stop. Go. This is half. More. 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 That's it. This is tight. Steering straight. One more. Break, no? Okay? So remember, where you have to keep the handle. It is tight distance. Huh? The handle where?
Inside.
Facing the drum from inside. Okay? Go ahead. More. 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 That's it. So where's the handle now? It's facing the drum from inside, right? Right. Straight to the drums, huh? And stop. That's it. Then what do you do next? Turn to the right, of course. When the both side is straight, you will stop. More. Brake. Check from there. Check from here. Both side is straight. Then next, steering straight. So remember, remember between the big distance, half distance, small distance. I mean tight distance. And then, okay. All right, let's go. Keep going. So now we are going to the slope. Please told you go to the slope. You have to drive to the slope. The slope it's easy. Okay? Stop here. Brake. And the weight up. Change your feet to the accelerator. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Go. Slowly. We go again, huh? Okay? Okay, my good friends. So when the examiner tell you go to the slope, you have to drive to the slope. There is small office. You have to stop, fully stop, and you have to get out from your car, take your documents to the examiner. Then the examiner tell you go to your car, drive to the slope, and you need to stop before the line, fully stop. Okay, so you stop, pull handbrake up. Okay, don't pull hard. No, when the signal is green, press the accelerator or the handbrake down and keep moving at the same time. Okay, press the accelerator and keep the handbrake down at the same time. The car will move when the signal is green. Okay, so be careful, guys. Some students they do mistakes also here on the slope when they are stopped before the line and the signal. Actually, they are by mistake they change the gear in the parking mode or maybe in reverse or N. No, don't change the gear. Keep it in drive mode. Only you need to hold handbrake up. That's it. Thank you.